This is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on what is a browser. Now, in a recent Man on the Street survey, when asked the question, what is a browser, most people didn't know. A browser is not a search engine. A browser is not a web page. A browser is a piece of software, just like a text editor, a word processor, a spreadsheet, a game. It's a piece of software whose function is to display the pages of the internet and the World Wide Web. So here is a browser, Internet Explorer. Comes with Windows. Another browser is Mozilla Firefox from the Mozilla Foundation. Another browser is Opera from Opera Software. Another browser is Google Chrome from Google. Now, all of them are browsers. They all have the basic function of presenting the content that's on the internet so that you can see it and enjoy it. They have different features and functions, but they're all browsers. Just as all solitaire games are solitaire games, but they sometimes vary in what they offer. So, if someone asks the question, what is a browser? A browser or web browser is a piece of software that's used to view the internet. And that's all there is to it.